You're right, Mark. It's Tony. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of a Slicky License Manager. The product I'm going to show you for this demo is Visio-2013. So basically, I've pre-populated the dashboard with the following details. So I've created a Visio-2013 key, the relevant setup command. This is substituted for the license key. So on this one, for instance, if you go in details, you put your pool of license keys in this list. You can upload them using a delimited text file, or you can just create them individually. So you just put your second key in there. So basically, if you go to your config manager on the actual program for the product, you would put Slicky client install Visio 2013, and for the uninstall you pass that command. So on one of the clients you can see you've got Visio Professional 2013. Let's go and install this. So basically Visio 2013 is installing on this. So if we go back to the Slicky manager and go to Visio details, you'll notice it is now in use and it's being used by Slicky client 2, and that was the issue date. There's no more license keys available, so if I go to another client and I click install Visio Professional 2013, I click install, this should immediately fail with an exit code of 666, which means there's no more license keys available in Slicky Manager. So if we go back to the original client which is doing the install, hopefully it should be close to being finished now. I'll just pause it. Okay, the installation is just finalizing. And the product is now installed. So now what we're going to do, we're going to reclaim this license by spawning the uninstall. So we uninstall the product, which in turn, if we go back to the Slicky license dashboard and press refresh, it is no longer in use. So if we go back to the client which is doing the uninstall, it's still removing, but that license is now available for redeployment. So if we go back to the client where it failed before with the 666 exit code and click retry, this will now begin to install the software because there's a license key available for it. And there we go, the install is in progress. So if we go back to the license dashboard, note this is Slicky client 1. If we go back to the management console and press F5, you notice that it is now in use by Slicky client 1. That is a brief overview of the power of license compliance within Slicky Manager.